Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks Part 3. I kind of feel not very smart right now. Because if we fill this in and move it out of the way, nudge it out of the way, and then fill this in and nudge it out of the way, and then grab both these items and group them, and then put them back. And that's what we did before, kind of, but we had a contour around blocking the letters. I don't think you could do it this way, but if we take this now and go to Object, and if you didn't watch Part 2, I individually filled in the parts. Well, all we have to do is put the letter to the back of the page, and it does exactly. There's one I didn't finish, but with the lines, but you can see the red. So by doing back minus front, you can still see the eagle and the font behind it. So you don't have to fill in those individual. I'm going to leave that just in case it ever came up to another situation, because I know I tried a couple of different things, like back minus front, but this is going to take away the outline or take away the letters, take away the eagle. And if you do the opposite, they go front minus back, you get that. So that's not what we want. So this is exactly what I did, because the black is filled in there. Now, the only difference, I know nothing about printing, the black is still there, but the red's going to print on top of it, I guess, and not show through. If it does, then the other way is going to be better. That's why I'm going to leave the video, because that way it would only print. There wouldn't be any black behind the red like there is now. If you move this over just a little bit, it's solid black, and the red's just covering it up because the red is in front of the page. I'm hoping that's what he wanted, and thank you for watching.